Kani kadai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Haka pratrek mentau benai rempang arajar kat kendai. Kakan hon jengginong patai kubur. Kalayo la banyakren bat way ni kidkot jengkan National Human Rights Commission, Justice PC Ghos. Ubalakren kendiat halor kerukam ti dawiyong hakan ni kecela, hakata kerukam ke baong, rat hole mining, bad halor ke jingja syak telep ki kasan ngut gibreu, hapok ke krem ti dawiyong, haka kru rengsan, ke ba, ke jingwat, ya kemet, jengkinong ti dawiyong, kadang peteng haduk kini kisngi.
According to me, this rat hole mines, that has to be stopped. So, and the Deputy Chief Minister, as you have seen also, he has specifically stated that they are taking steps in the matter. And there are certain also bodies are there, etc., which we are coming to know through the print media. So that part you are also from the media. So you please make an inquiry into the matter, and then you can tell us also that whatever we can do from the Human Rights Commission, we will do it. There is no difficulty, right? But the first thing is that we must be sure about that, right? Without hearing ourselves, making our conscience clear, then we shall jump into the thing, isn't it? So that is the reason we are trying to find out what is happening. As we have seen in the matter in question, the Indian Army, etc., etc., it's all from the media which we have gathered. So they are taking steps, and in fact, they are also thinking around how they will go to either to stop this, etc., etc. So those are really the policy they must follow. The policy will be taken by the government, and the policy which will be in the near future, as I believe, will come to stop all these things which are not in accordance with provisions of law. And I'm sure that the government will take steps accordingly in the matter. According to me, if it is a policy, and if the government is sure that they can't get any other bodies, etc., etc., in fact, as a member of the Human Rights Commission, I should not say anything, excepting we must tell and we must make it awareness of the government people that they must think over the matter, taking into account the rights of the human in this state and following the rules and the regulations which have been enshrined by the Constitution and as well as by the Human Rights Commission.